Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you were 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, and I've added some black paint to it, and I have it sitting there on an angle sloped towards yourself, and I'm just getting these little gooey things out. And I'm going to do, excuse me, a waterfall pour. So I've got a piece of cardboard which I kind of measured and it fits into my cup. So here's hoping this works. So I'll just put the cup there because to get that to stand up I'm going to put in some blue and gold. Yes, they seem to be holding it. Right. And then some black and white. Actually, it's not completely white. It's got a bit of house paint mixed with it. And so I've got gold that side. I'll put blue and gold this side. Now they go in opposite. Anyway, the house paint doesn't look exactly white, so, but it's white for all intent and purpose. And then I might put some white this side just to finish it off, and some black this side, and my little dog is snoring. And I'll just get these out of my way. I have done a pour earlier, so my table's a bit of a mess, but I wanted to do this one before nightfall. So now very carefully I shall remove my piece of cardboard. Okay, oh how pretty, look at that. Alright. So here we go. Just move him over a little bit. And then back. Don't know where the blue is. Oh, there it is. Got some pretty colours in here. And down the head it get run off. Might make the paint easier to rock and roll. Oh, looking good. Where's my black? The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below show more under this video, and I'm just taking that over there. There's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. If I take these out now, put these blokes back. Oh, it's a nice one. I just want to turn him around without dropping him. And I think bring him straight down. onto that corner. Excellent. And then bring that maybe a bit more down this way. Going to move, please. Just like to move off some of that white. And get to moving slowly. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside that word and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And I will love this one. Okay, not too much dribbles. And I'll just go and wash my hands off and I'll be back in a sec. Right, I'm going to give it a little torch, make sure there's no air bubbles. If you don't get the air bubbles out, they very quickly burst when the paint's half dry and you end up with little Mount Etnas, and they really are quite unattractive, not at all what you're looking for. Where'd I put my cigarette lighter? There it is. There were a few air bubbles, but I've got them out now, and whoa, what a pretty. So I don't know what happened there, I must have dribbled, but it looks all right. So I'm going to bring you down to take a look, and I hope you've enjoyed. The blue looks nice against the gold. Okay, so that's what I've been looking at. Bring you in to have a closer look. That's if she wants to. There we go. It's very pretty. When it's dry, that gold will really sparkle out and look great. That blue is quite vivid. It's really pretty. Looks really nice on the black. Alright, well thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please give this one the thumbs up. Bye for now.